Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Ads account with Claude AI. So this connection lets Claude access Google Ads tools through Zapier, making it easier to use both platforms together. So to begin, I want you to open the Claude application on your Windows computer and then click your profile icon in the bottom left corner, then select settings from the menu. So once the settings page opens, choose connectors from the left sidebar. Next, click Explore Connectors and then use the search bar to look for Zapier. And when it appears, click the plus button beside it and then select Continue with Google. Choose the Google account you want to use and then follow the on-screen steps to finish setting up Zapier and approve the required permissions. So after the connection is complete, open a new browser tab and go to the official Zapier website. Continue with your account if you already signed in. From the menu on the left, select MCP server, then add tool or click add tool. Next, open the select tools menu and then check select all tools so that every available Google Ads tool. Next, open the select tools menu and check all tools so every available Google Ads is included. So every available Google Ads tool is included. Click connect, then click connect again besides Google Ads and choose yes. Continue to Google Ads, select the email address that you want to connect, and then press continue on the permission screen. Review the access request, then click continue again to confirm it. And finally, click add all tools to add the Google Ads features to your Claude setup. And once it is complete, the Google Ads or your Google Ads account will be connected and ready to use with Claude AI. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next one.